In this video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your ChatGPT account. So to get started, go ahead and open your browser on your device and then go ahead and sign in to your ChatGPT account on ChatGPT. Now once you're on ChatGPT, go ahead and click on your account, which you'll find at the bottom left corner of your screen once you click on your history. So click on settings from here, and then in here head over to the accounts tab. Now go ahead and click on this delete button at the right side of the delete account. You'll be able to delete your ChatGPT account. Once you click on that, you need to confirm your action by entering your password, and then after you enter your password and confirm that you are trying to delete your account, then you can go ahead and accomplish deleting your account. And that is how you can basically permanently delete your ChatGPT account.